Hello, it's Ron back here with another video on Ron Brown's YouTube channel. And today we're going to talk about the StartRC case for the DJI Neo drone. So we're going to, kind of take a first look. Unboxing, these things don't come in fancy boxes, come in a brown box from Amazon. So there is no box involved. But we'll do a first look and breakdown of this case for the, again, the little DJI Neo drone, the hottest little selfie drone on the market right now. So let's get right into it, folks. So, all right, this is very similar to some other cases the StartRC has made for, drones such as the Mini 4 Pro, the Avata, not the Avata, maybe for the Avata, the Air 3. I already got a couple of these videos on my channels for similar cases like this. I'll link them someplace, down below or at the end. So yeah, just to go look around the case here. It has, the handle, this carrying handle on top. It also has hooks on the side. It has a strap. We'll get to the strap in a second. This is the back. So you got the StartRC, logo down here, and this kind of, I guess that's supposed to represent an S there. It's kind of cut into the, what would you call this material here? I'm trying to think of a name for, just kind of a suitcase material, whatever you call the material for suitcases. So, it feels well made. It feels, fairly ruggedized. Of course, not as rugged as the hard cases that StartRC produces. But let's get right into it here. It has the double zippers here with the StartRC logo on it here. So we'll pull these back here, and here is the case here. Here is the strap I was telling you about. If you want to carry it with the strap or rather than the handle, we'll put that to the side here. Here's a little weight card just with nothing on it here. So okay, here you go. Here's the various compartments here. And we're going to flip this around, kind of do a top down here. I'm going to talk this over here. Now, why I say we're going to talk this over is here, and it does have a zipper pocket up here for various cables and things like that, maybe SD cards and so on. So that's always handy. And it's got that mesh material up there, so you kind of see what's in there too. So I don't have currently the DJI Neo. I live in the U.S. and the drone has not been sent to the U.S. yet. It comes in two configurations: a drone, just kind of a drone alone. I mean, not really a drone alone, a drone, a battery, and so on. And I believe that's $199. And then you can get a drone and a 3 battery kit with a charger for like $289. In the US, they do not offer you the kit that comes with the controller, but we have a couple controllers to show you around here. So let's get into that part of the video. Okay, we're gonna flip this open here, and here's your various compartments here. This obviously is for the little Neo drone, which I explained I do not have at this point. And this up here, it looks like it's for that battery. The battery, the 3 battery charging hub there, and up here, I'm not sure what this is custom cut to or whatever. So yeah, and I could be wrong. Maybe this is for the battery thing. So, and this here is for the controller. And again, I don't have the drone, but I do have a couple controllers here that work with the drone. This is the DJI RCN2. I believe I said that right. You see, this is for my Mini 4 Pro. Now, this will work with the little Neo, but let's see if it fits in the case. And it does fit in the case because the controller that comes with the Neo is the DJI RCN3, which looks very similar to this. I believe it's lighter in weight and kind of maybe a dumbed down version of this, but I think physically it's the same size. So this, this does fit in there very well. With a cut, that cut there, let the back go down. But okay, the other controller we have is the DJI RC2, which also controls a little Neo, and this unfortunately will not even come close to fitting in the case here. So so that's your controller options here is basically the either the RCN3 that comes with the drone or the older RCN2. Both will fit in that controller slot there. I said drone looks like it's a space underneath the drone. Maybe they put something there, and maybe one of these, like I said, one of these is probably for that battery charging hub and the other. I'm just not quite sure here. You know, maybe this is just an accessory thing. Well, we'll know more when we get that thing in. And when I do get the DJI Neo in, and I did order the kit with that charger, we'll come back with a follow-up video and you know, kind of fit it all in this case and you know, see what's what. I just wanted to get this video out. I know today's only I don't know, 20th of September, and I'm not due to get that Neo until like October 10th or something. So we're talking like another, like, you know, 20 some days. We're talking about a month away here. So I just didn't want to hold this up, because I do have, you know, subscribers or friends outside the US that are looking for a case for their Neo. And this probably will, you know, probably fit them well. I'm going to get the pricing and availability of this case here in a few minutes if anybody wants to, you know, get their orders placed here. Now, I know that you people outside the U.S. probably can't use my Amazon links. They're going to have to use links outside, but I'm going to put the U.S. links in there anyways, in case somebody's watched this video when they do have the drone, and they can click on the link in the U.S. to get the thing. So let me get back here, you know, and go over the pricing and availability. But that's all I can show you so far on the case. Again, I don't think any of the case kits or any of the kits for the DJI Neo come with a case. So right now there is no such thing as a case with DJI, so you will have to go with a third-party case. And I believe StartRC also has a hard case for this, of course, which is more secure, you know, more ruggedized, you know, of course, also bigger and bulkier. So if you're the type of person that wants a more minimal case than a rugged hard case, then this might be, you know, what you're looking for. So again, let me come back to pricing and availability on this little case here. Okay, after looking at the Amazon.com photo, the charging hub goes in there that comes with the battery kit for the DJI Neo. And this, in the picture, they just have like a charging brick in there, which the drone does not come with a charging brick. So you would have to supply your third-party brick or buy a brick from DJI themselves. But okay, so controller, drone, battery, 3-battery hub here. I've looked the case up here one more time. Sorry, I bumped the camera. StartRC case for the Neo. Let's see here. I'm trying to read any details I left out here. Carrying case for the DJI Neo, portable PU storage protective bag for the Neo, Flymore combo accessories. So of course, if you live out of the U.S., you can get that Flymore combo. Let's see here. Okay. The case is $33.99, but there's currently 12% off sale right now, so it's retailing for $29.99. But they also have a clickable coupon box here where you can get extra 10% off. So that takes another $3 off, so you're down to $26.99 for the case right now. There is free returns, and if you're Amazon Prime member, there is free shipping. And if you order today, which is I believe it's September 20th, you can receive the case if you live in at least if you live in my area code here, you can receive the case between September 30th and October 3rd. So if you do have the Neo coming, and if you order it through Amazon, you're getting it on the 10th, it could arrive by Thursday. You have it kind of a week ahead of the drone. I believe people have said that pre-orders from DJI.com themselves are coming sooner than the Amazon ones. That's a fact. I've just, you know, hearsay on my part. So, yeah. So, of course, there's a 30-day free refund replacement program if you buy it from Amazon. It's shipped by Love Hobby Drone, which is a affiliate of StartRC's. So yeah, so that's it, folks. I will put my affiliate link down below. I am an Amazon affiliate seller. I do get a small commission off anything you purchase through that link down below. It does help this channel out. It keeps the lights on around here. It keeps me getting new products in here to review. And full disclosure, I was sent this case by StartRC to do this kind of first look at it here, whatever. So, but they're not paying me to do this. They have no editorial content over anything I said in the video or whatever, and they're not seeing this video ahead of time. So, I mean, whether you want to call that sponsor or not, that's your decision. But I just gave you the full disclosure. So, the usual stuff here. If you like the video, give me the thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe. Ring that bell so you know when I put up new videos. And again, affiliate links. I got a buy me a cup of coffee link in the description if you don't want to buy anything, but you want to help the channel out. And that's it, folks. And we'll see you in the next video. And we'll see you back with another video on this little case here once the little DJI Neo does, come my way. So that's it, folks. See you in the next video.